The next artist performing today is Srimati Sneha Bhagwat. Sneha Bhagwat, student of Guru Dr. Sanjay Shantaram, is a Bharatanatyam dancer, teacher, and a yoga practitioner. On the academic front, she holds a degree in law and has practiced as an advocate under the guidance of her father and senior advocate M.S. Bhagwat at the High Court of Karnataka. Apart from training in Bharatanatyam for almost 3 decades, she holds a 200-hour Hatha Yoga teacher training to her credit. Her brainchild, Stita, an art space at Malleshwaram, has been imparting the knowledge of Bharatanatyam and yoga across the globe. She has completed her Vidvat and holds a master degree in Bharatanatyam. She has been fortunate to learn the charis and 108 karanas of Natya Shastra under the guidance of Srimati Nirupama Rajendra. We are happy to have you perform at the 11th edition of Kanasur today, Sneha. I would like to call upon Sneha to introduce her dances that she will be performing today. Over to you, Sneha.
Shri Ganeshaya Namaha, Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. First of all, I'm extremely happy to be a part of this wonderful evening along with some beautiful dancers. This evening I've chosen compositions which are all by the composers who are presently working with the dance field. So largely pieces which are by contemporary authors. So I'm extremely happy to present my choreographies for these compositions. I begin this evening with Trimurti Anjali. Opening with a traditional Pushpanjali, the Sahitya describes the Trimurtis, Brahma, the creator, Vishnu, the protector, and Shiva, the destroyer. As we move into the Sahitya, we get a sneak peek into Satyaloka, Vaikunta, and Kailasa. The Satyaloka, with Brahma and Saraswati being so beautiful, moving into Vaikunta, the place which is completely stress-free and guarded by Jaya and Vijaya. The Adishesha recliner, along with his consort Lakshmi and the Mohini Swarupa, is the protector. We then move into Kailasa, where we find the Gaja Charmambara and Vyagra Charmambara Shiva riding on his Nandi with his consort Parvati, destroying everything that is evil. Presenting to you Trimurti Anjali in Ragamalika Aditala, composed by Vidwan Vasant Kiran.
लोकवास नारदापित ब्रह्मास्त्रधर हंसवाहन सत्य लोकवास नारदापित ब्रह्मास्त्रधर हंसवाहन सरस्वती प्रिया सरस्वती प्रिय वेद प्रतीता सृष्टिकर्त नमो ब्रह्मदेवा
ओम नमो ब्रह्मदेवाय ओम नमो ब्रह्मदेवाय
तरिता तगदरितये तों तरितदीं तरिततों तरितनं तरिततां तगुतरिकिटतक वैकुण्ठस्थित शेषशयन वैकुण्ठस्थित शेषशयन शङ्खचक्रधर गरुडवाहन लक्ष्मीपति मोहिनी रूप स्थितिकर्त नमो विष्णुदेवा
ओम नमो विष्णुदेवाय ओम नमो विष्णुदेवाय कैलासवास व्याघ्रचर्मधर त्रिशूलधर नन्दिवाहना नन्दिवाहन नन्दिवाहन